Hello, myself Asta Yagnik from 4th year BR. Today I am going to propose the plan for Design and Art Campus in Nasik. Case study of art school in France by architect Jacques Ripoll. The project is inflected by its curvilinear facade enclosure. The workshops here are open north facing, the drama halls giving scene of outdoor theatre. Dance halls are connected by ramps which contributes dancers' air choreography. Music rooms are held along the acoustic shelves that install trapezoidal rooms. Large orchestra halls made marks an anchor near the lobby as a buttress. There is an open-air amphitheatre with angular sitting area. The second case study is of German building in UK. This building draws inspiration from film stages and warehouses. The building is compacted which gives substantial outdoor space to display, perform and showcase their artwork. The building is wrapped entirely in zinc cladding, punctured at regular intervals. The curtain walls provides around the building brings natural daylight in spaces and offers views in ground and first floor of the building. Two emergency staircases are provided enclosed in zinc mesh. Natural ventilation is done using stack effect chimneys within double and triple height spaces near the staircases. Mechanical ventilation is kept minimum. At roof level, for academics, the offices are arranged around a roof terrace which offers an outdoor teaching space. Here on around the site is located near a microcircle. The site has a variety of buildings around it like MSCB office, hotels, cafe, also some government offices, forest department, PWD office, Panchayat Samiti, etc. The site already has some entry exit points, which are some of them are pedestrian only, some of them are vehicular with parking. Also, you can see the existing parking there. Also, the site has a lot of vegetation, huge trees which are capable of providing all the shadow required for the site. The wind flows from southwest to northeast most of the time, and from northeast to southwest in the year end. On second floor, basically as in German building, I studied that on first floor or on the upper floors they provide office giving priorities to students, keeping their classrooms on ground floor. So I provided most of the admin offices of each department on the first floor. So in Department of Fashion, you can see linen store, washing area, and accessory making. As these three are connected to each other, they are kept there. Also on the other side, you can see a block, admin block. Also from the first floor, the ramp walk area, the space can be viewed. The further we go, there is an open interactive space. The gymnasium is of double height, that's why. The further we come, here also we have library, conference rooms, admin block, studios and classrooms, etc. Further we go to art department. We see laboratory which is of double height, and from first floor the students can also access to library, for which the staircase are provided. In all the departments, the studio and classroom are connected to each other, providing individual studios to individual classes. Further, we have in art department, we have provided studios, libraries, etc. On the third floor, we have provided seminar halls near the arts departments, as it is nearest to parking, and most of the time it is used for foundation courses or telling the people for admission processes. That's why they are kept near to parking. Also it is kept on the top floor, so they do visit the college area premises. So here at section AA, you can see the trees which beautifully keep the place alive. Also, you can see the temporary or permanent area for display. The height of each floor is 4 meters, providing a space, headspace, a larger headspace. Three D views. Here you can see two pictures in which you can see the temporary open area, display area, or can be used anyway. In the second picture, you can see, like, if you enter or if you also watch the building from outside, you could see both floors over there, which will be definitely, the walls will be created by the students. In the last picture, you can see the temporary, the permanent interactive area, which is necessary for most of the time in every college. Here in the first image, you can see the view in the filmmaking department, which would work as a temporary shooting area. In the second, the view is from outside the site. As you travel, you can see the building. And on the third picture, you can see the workshop area and the buildings on the right, smaller buildings on the right are the admin block, and on the left we have arts department. Here you can see bird eye view of the project. Thank you.